excavator. Vehicle body. Mechanical arm. Bucket. Gear. I am the excavator. I have a big bucket for digging a lot of stuff. Crane. I am the crane. I can lift heavy goods. Crane. Jib. Vehicle body. Lifting hook. Wheel. I am the crane. I can lift heavy goods with my long arm and flexible lifting hook. Bulldozer. Bulldozer. Vehicle body. Front blade. Gear. I am the bulldozer. I can easily push the dirt and shovel snow with my large blade in the front. Concrete mixer. Vehicle body. Revolving drum. Wheel.
I am the concrete mixer, and I can mix concrete with my big revolving drum.
Road roller. Front roller. Wheel. Vehicle body. I am a road roller. I can compact the bumpy road to make it level with my huge iron wheel. Dump truck. Vehicle body. Rear dump bed. Wheel. I am a dump truck. My big dump bed can be lifted to enable the materials to slide down.